Okay, so getting ready for the trip. I did not finish packing yesterday. I still have so many things to pack. So I've just put everything on the couch so I know this is what I'm taking, this is not what I'm taking. And right now I'm gonna go get this hair done because you see the hair is not hairing. People are coughing out here, so I'm gonna wear a mask. But let's go. Do you know when you get like fresh braids, you just feel like a new person? I feel like a new person. Fresh braids. Fresh scalp. Just got the ski sticks and everything. Okay, so right now I'm just getting ready to go ski for the first time. Wish me luck. I'm ready. I hope this goes well. It's easy, I can do it. Pizza, french fries, pizza, french fries. Okay, pizza, 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 pizza. This is the children's slope. I should be able to do this. Or snowplow is the easiest way to slow down, but this is not the right way to slow down, so I need to figure out how to do it properly, and it's so cold. Ooh, okay, I'm possibly afraid of heights. I didn't think about that, but looking down, don't look down, don't look down, just look forward. Look at the beautiful trees, relax. Okay, just got back. I was too tired, so just took a shower, took all of the stuff out, and I'm wearing my dino sweater. I just want to eat. I'm so hungry. Crepe au clock, crepe and hot chocolate. I'm so excited for this. Okay, 10 euros for a crepe. Okay, maybe I'll get the one with apples for like 5 euros because whoa. Today's second day, but my body is in so much pain. I'm in so much pain. Oh. I think everything hurts. Like, for some reason my shoulders hurt. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to record. This type of snow is apparently not preferred by professional skiers because the snow is quite slushy. But I love it because it's so slushy. I feel like I'm going as slow as possible. It's like this is the speed for me. And I oddly like the sound of the skis on the snow.
Got a plan, it's gonna be so lovely.
Okay, this is after day 2 of skiing and everything just feels completely cramped. Like even my hands on this area is completely cramped and I'm in pain and I'm so tired. Oh, look at that, it looks like it snowed. There's gonna be fresh snow. Oh wow, and the view from the window is amazing. Don't even know what day of skiing this is, but we're on the way to the slopes again, and look at how many people they are. Lots of people. But anyway, as we go there, yesterday your girl fell on her face. Yes, on her face. My face. My face. I fell on my face. I was going so fast, my skis were like, oop, bye. So I think the thing about skiing is that when you're renting out skis is that they measure your weight. And I think the skis are not supposed to go past a certain speed because it's super dangerous. And I went really, really fast because I was like, oh, it's slushy. Oh, it's slow. No. I flew off the skis and onto my face. So I'm here in the French countryside investigating. Raining quite heavily, but it's still so much fun. Okay, this was the last day of skiing and it was gray. It was very gray. I couldn't see anything. I honestly couldn't see anything. Okay, I could see a little bit, but it was giving black and white movie. Okay, black and white movie, but it was still really amazing, super cold, I must admit, and sometimes a little bit rainy, but I think I'm really good at following tracks. I'm gonna put the details of the ski school that I joined for the 5-day program. Okay, so this is the last day of skiing, and I think it was super, super fun. I feel like I learned a lot, and yeah, now I'm going home. I'm gonna miss the slopes. I think the best part about skiing is the food that you get to eat later on. Oh,